Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix PDF files open in Google Chrome instead of the Adobe Reader. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I have here a PDF form, and if I'll double tap it to open, I am being redirected or navigated to the Google Chrome browser. As you can see, it is being opened here at the Google Chrome and not in the Adobe Reader. Okay, so in order to open your PDF file in the Adobe Reader instead of the Google Chrome, we'll be performing a very basic step. Okay, and the very first step that you need to do is, let me just close the window. You need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for settings. Once you have typed it, go with the best match, click on open to continue, and wait until you are being redirected to the settings itself. By the way, you can also press Windows and I key together, and by that you will be able to open the settings. So once you are here at the settings, directly proceed at the left side of that. You can see there a list of the options. Please proceed at the option called Apps, tap on it, and under the Apps tab, please proceed with Default Apps, which contains defaults for file and link types and other defaults. So tap the net and there you can see two search bar where here you need to proceed on set default for application. So you need to type for Chrome, and the moment you have typed it, you need to proceed on clicking on it. And here you need to scroll down and look for .pdf. Again, scroll down and look for .pdf. So as I can see it here, so the moment you have selected it, you need to click on this forward arrow to open a new window where you can select a default app for PDF files. So here you need to go with your Adobe Reader, but in case you don't see any, you can click on Browse Apps in the Microsoft Store and you can find your Adobe Reader there. Okay, but I'm sure you would be able to see here. In my case, I don't have such since I'm not installing such program, but in your case, you do. Okay, since you want it to since you want it to set as your default app when you open PDF files, okay? So all you need to do is you need to select on it, okay? Let's say, for example, this is the Adobe Reader. All you need to do is you need to select on it, meaning if this mark will show, meaning it is being selected, go with set default and it will be set here. Now, whenever you open a PDF document next time, you would be redirected to the Adobe Reader that you have just installed here in your Windows or computer. Okay? So that's it. Now, if you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.